Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk through how to disable chat notifications on the Instagram app for PC after the latest update. If you've been getting constant pings from individual and group chats and want some peace of mind, this step-by-step guide will help you quickly turn them off. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once the app loads to your home feed, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. There, you'll find the More icon. Go ahead and click on it to bring up a menu with several options. From this menu, choose Settings. This will open up the central hub where you can customize your account preferences and how Instagram interacts with you. Inside Settings, you'll see a section labeled Notifications. Click on it. Now that you're inside the notification settings, you'll notice different notification types for various features of Instagram. Since we're focusing on chat messages, you'll want to select Push Notifications. This is where Instagram controls every alert it sends to your device in real time. Scroll through until you find the section titled Messages from Individual and Group Chats. This is the setting you've been looking for. Here, you'll see multiple options on how you want these chat notifications delivered. If you simply want to disable them entirely, all you need to do is select Off. By doing this, Instagram will no longer send you pop-ups or sound alerts whenever you receive a new message in your inbox. And that's it. You've successfully turned off your chat notifications on the Instagram PC app. This simple adjustment gives you more control over when and how you check your messages, so you can focus on what's important without unnecessary interruptions. If you ever change your mind and want to enable them again, just revisit the notification settings, select Push Notifications, and choose a different option under the Chat Messages section. It only takes a few seconds and you can tune your notifications to match your preferences anytime. Now you know exactly how to manage your Instagram chat alerts on PC with the new update.